What we're doing today is we're doing a confined space training exercise, exercise. It's an everyday job that we do here at the county. We jump in manholes, wet wells, and whatnot for maintenance purposes. So it's something that we have to be confined space trained and rescue trained so that we can do our job efficiently. There's toxic gases down there, and we need to know what we have to do in case something goes wrong.
Kev, you okay?
No, I need help.
You need help?
He's not doing good.
Okay, what's wrong? Hey, get the blower on, Tony.
I'll get the blower on.
Chest pain?
So for the regular maintenance for Public Works, they enter confined spaces fairly often. So we need to know how to get them out of there if something goes wrong. For the past 4 or 5 years, we've invited the fire department. So Libertyville Fire Department comes out and helps us because they are the responders to this area, and they have members which are on the special response team for Lake County and are specially trained for these types of rescues.